So g'day, how you going? And in this video, I have already opened a Great Northern beer. So we'll just have a taste test and we'll see if it's any good, because I'm not too sure if this beer is any good. Generally, I don't drink beer because I think beer tastes like piss. And you're probably going, wow, you drank piss? Well, how do you know? Maybe I've experimented. So, first thing, how to pour a beer. You don't pour a beer like that. Pour a beer like that. So you get a lot of bubbles. Sorry. It looks like a piss, didn't it? Anyway, you got a lot of bubbles. And it makes a froth. So that's what we call a head. And if you pour it that way, it just creates bubbles and you just got too much and then you have to wait for it to go down. It looks terrible. So what you do, you pour it on the side. So what you're doing is that you're pouring it on the side of the cup and you're reducing the aeration of the actual alcohol. So there you go. That's about it. My wife drank the rest. And yeah, that's smelling terrible at the moment. I've got Milkus in here. So Milkus, this is a soft drink. Looks like sperm in a cup, but it's actually cow piss. It's a Korean drink. So it's a supplement to wash away the beer. Yeah. It's actually quite terrible. Not really. Great Northern. Is it an outstanding beer? Nah. So as a person who doesn't like to drink beer, the beer has to be really exceptional to tickle my taste buds. This one's not exceptional. It's a little bit weak in taste, more watery. Has a little bit of bitter taste. Smells a bit funny too. As it's not too strong like a Guinness, it's easier to actually drink. So while I don't like the taste, it's not too overpowering. And that's where the cowpiss comes in. Tastes better. I'm more of a sweet person, so if the beer is sweet, I'll probably enjoy it more. Anyway, that is my review of Great Northern. I only like it if you like to get smashed. Taste is a little bit bitter, but it's not strong. Feels like it's been watered down a bit. And next we're going to do Foster's.